What is Google My Business? Learn digital marketing with Digital Pawan. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will be talking about one of the most useful tools for businesses, Google My Business. If you own a business or work for one, you definitely don't want to miss this video. Before we start with the details, let's understand what exactly is Google My Business. Google My Business is a free and easy-to-use tool that lets businesses and organizations manage their online presence. It allows you to create and edit your business profile on Google, control how your business appears on Google Maps and search, and connect with your customers. There are many benefits of using Google My Business, and I'm going to list some of them for you. First and foremost, it can improve your local SEO. What this means is that using Google My Business correctly can make your business appear higher up in Google search results. This can increase your online visibility and drive more traffic to your website. Secondly, it allows customers to easily find and contact your business. With Google My Business, they can quickly get your phone number, address, hours of operation, and directions without even leaving Google. This convenience can translate into more foot traffic and sales for your business. Lastly, Google My Business can help you understand your customers better. It provides you with valuable insights like how many people are visiting your profile, where they are coming from, and what they are searching for. These insights can help you make informed decisions about your business strategy and marketing campaigns. Now that you know why Google My Business is important, let's dive into the details of setting up a profile. Firstly, you need to create a Google account if you don't already have one. Then, go to google.com/business and click on Manage Now. Follow the prompts to enter and verify your business information. Remember to be as accurate and complete as possible, and to include high-quality photos and descriptions of your business. After you've set up your profile, it's important to regularly update it with any changes to your business information, such as new hours or services. This will help keep your customers informed and improve their experience. Did you know that Google My Business has many additional features? One of these is the ability to post updates and offers on your profile. Utilizing this feature can help you promote your business and keep your customers engaged. Another feature is the messaging option, which allows customers to send you direct messages through Google. This can improve your customer service and provide another communication channel for your business. That's it for today's video on Google My Business. I hope you found it useful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe to my channel.